Alright, it is one day before the wedding. I have all my stuff finally. This was the hardest thing to get, this suit. But it's done. Finally got it. I'm gonna actually give Monica the second camera. This is the vlog for the girl side, while I have mine. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to hydrate. I do want to go for a workout before tomorrow, my last workout, just because it's been a good mental cleanser as well. So let's just get it started. The vlog camera. I'll show you how to open that Pedialyte. So hold this one. So first, or this is actually the second Pedialyte that we're going to be doing.
A few moments later.
We're there. And that's before we make a left turn, right?
So here's the church, Holy Cross Catholic Church. This is where we're getting married. It's rehearsal. That's how we're doing it right now. Holy Cross Church. I'm Catholic. Looking good, bro. Keto. Yeah, Filipino. What's up? What's up?
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
It's strictly the parking lot.
Oh my god. The whole crew's here. How? You guys are taller than me. What is? This isn't. Hey, Pa.
You look so pretty.
Crocodile? Crocodile Kitty? We'll play that soon, okay? Wow, we got this church. It's actually good to see my family and everyone here together. It makes me feel less stressed.
These are my parents. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. It's okay, you're doing so well. Good job, good job.
Exactly like I planned. A car crash. All right, we're here at Chopsticks Gourmet, and it's for the rehearsal dinner. And it's a very random place, but it's great. This is all ours. Anywhere you want to sit, you can sit. We should get a center one where it's easier to see people. Yeah, right in the middle. Cheers, gentlemen and ladies. Thank you for making the trek here. Oh, yes, cheers. Death of a Bachelor.
Death of a Bachelor. Cue music.
The shots. Cheers. Yes. Yes. Yes.
This is the wedding. Take two. This is the wedding rehearsal vlog. I'm gonna take over for a bit and film for Adam while he's enjoying. We got some Johnny Nags right here. Yeah. Let's make it good. To Adam and Tina.
All these babies. Wow, you got the heads. You got
Maybe. Got the mic. Senorita, I feel for you.
You deal with things that you don't have to.
Yo, rap video.
He doesn't love you, I can tell by his charm. But you doesn't love, baby, just lay your mind.
Yes!
Alright, who's next?
What do you feel?
I feel disgusting, ashamed. Get Tina, just get
Your reaction to this?
This is my nightmare. It's now a reality.
And I'll write your name.
Ready?
Standing. Oh shit, okay. Yes!
Yes!
Yes! Yes!
Wait now.
Wait, what is this?
To you guys, thank you for being my groomsmen.
Wait, what?
Alright, these are your gifts. Thank you guys.
Wait, say it again.
These are
No, I'm just kidding.
Josh! Paul!
Hold on. Rewind it. Whoa.
This is for me! This is for me! It's for me! For you! Thank you! I love you!
Ready? Reveal. Oh shit!
This is like full travel pace.
Let me see.
This is amazing.
What is this?
Power bank.
A power bank?
Oh wow. Yeah.
Nags. All right, open it up. Reveal. It's for the vlog. Oh, there's the tie collar.
Oh, that's the tie.
Wear that tomorrow. And what else is in
Oh,
there?
butt wipes.
It's to wipe your butt, right?
And Tina gave me a charger for my phone.
Not you.
Handcrafted Kiko. It's not Tyrone with an E.
Here's for you, Mark!
Meanwhile.
Done. We're gonna take care of it for you, man.
Sounds good, thank you guys. I appreciate
So, delegate.
I'll
Fucking
delegate. I'll delegate. The word of like this, and we'll get done.
So 10 o'clock sharp we'll be at the house.
10 o'clock, yeah, that's perfect.
Alright.
Just get a good night's rest. Like, if you want to go out and drink, do it. But I need to sleep. I want to work out in the morning. Like, I felt great today, and I know tomorrow I could drink as much as I want and die. But group home. Love you, man. Group home.
Tony's like, oh, I guess I can. I want to drink. It's happening. We're getting molested. Okay. Can I traffic you? Fuck Tito. We're gonna make out.
Rehearsal is over. I'm back in the apartment by myself. Everything is gone, taken care of. Right now, I'm going to get ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna hydrate. I'm gonna get a full night's rest. I'm gonna charge batteries and things like that. But yeah, tomorrow's a big day. I cannot wait. And I'll see you guys in the morning.